is based off of what's called foundations of sand. That without starting with a system of value that begins with even non-material, or even non-life as having value or necessitating respect and value in its own right, then nothing good can come of something that doesn't start from that perception, with that prerequisite in mind. That may be a conclusion that you reach, but if the foundation of your ethics is that only living things should have value, then it distorts every effort to come to ethical conclusions.
Okay, if you're going to assign value for living and non-living things, like, what's the yardstick for assigning value? Like, how would you measure it?
Scale of 1 to 10? I don't know, it's about the imaginative possibilities opened up by that sort of vocabulary. By considering Mars as a moral agent, it enables us to articulate new relationships to the universe, new relationships for ethics and things of that nature. Right? Okay. Yeah. It's an imaginative reconfiguration. It's a new starting point for ethics that transforms all previous ethical thinking into something more inclusive. Right? So the war and dispossession and violence and poverty that we see on Earth now may have deeper roots that may be our biocentric conception of the universe. So this will enable a kind of fundamental starting over that will allow us to recapitulate our values in a more productive ethical way. Okay, so now you see why humans, why the moon, why Mars, and some arguments you can make against it. Are there any questions? Yes?
Couldn't there be a pick of a new frontier and to explore the Pacific Ocean because we haven't done it?
Zuber actually literally answers that. He literally says, why is it that the oceans cannot serve as a new frontier? And his argument is that it doesn't signal a hope for the future of humankind. The future of humankind, should we die in an asteroid collision, will still take place in the ocean. Or should we die in nuclear war, will still take place in the ocean. Or environmental degradation, global warming or species loss and all that will still happen in the ocean. The only conceptual horizon and intellectual conceptual frontier that can even serve as a progressive starting point for human aspiration is Mars. Even the moon can't do it. Asteroids can't do it. Space habitats can't do it. Long-term sustainable, self-fulfilling societies, the only place to do that is Mars. Mars is the only conceptual frontier that will enable human progress and growth. He's very explicit about that. He goes through all of those things. But yeah, it's a good question. Very good question. Okay. To boldly go. See y'all later. Now you should all boldly go to lab. Feel free to email me if you have questions.